Hi all, welcome to Java Technocrafts. In this video, we will discuss the merge sort algorithm. So, to understand merge sort algorithm, basically merge sort is a sorting technique that follows the divide and conquer approach. So, it divides the given list into two equal halves, calls itself for two halves, so that is iterative process. Whatever the number of elements you feed in, so those elements are divided until they are split and cannot be divided anymore. So we have single elements here in this example. Basically after dividing, it starts merging process. So during the merging process, it's also sorts. So here the single elements 24 and 21 are merged and sorted. Similarly, 5 and 11 are merged and sorted. So the merging process also happens till there is no merging possible. So similarly, the split will happen until there is no split that can be occurred. So here we have single element, no split can occur. So here we have the complete merged elements, so no more merging can happen anywhere. So the program ends here. So this is the simple technique for the merging process. So we combine the pair of one element list into two element list, sorting them in the process, and the sorted two element pairs are merged into the four element, and so on until we get sorted the list. So let's take a dive into the action. So here I have defined initially the three elements, basically so that it will be simpler for us to understand the three elements, right? We can compare and imagine. So after taking the three elements, I am generating the three elements randomly. I am not giving the elements over here. So the random class will generate the random number between 1 and 100. So after generate, so this is the generation process of random elements. Once we have the random numbers generated, basically we will use the merge sort function. So this merge sort function, what it does is that basically it is dividing the array list into two halves. This is a recursive process basically until we do not have any merging, any splitting that is required. So it keeps on splitting on, and finally it merges the elements, right? So during the merge process, basically we take the two elements, compare them, and sort it out. So until all the elements are completed. So this is the simple merge process. Let's run this. So here it generated 85, 90, and 13 as the random numbers, and based on our process, basically it splits and then merges. So the advantage is that the time complexity of again consumption is very much drastically reduced compared to bubble sort, because the number of iterations are not as we see in bubble sort. So if you have any questions, drop me a comment. We can definitely go through those queries. Basically, if you are looking for any lab assignments, basically you can go and browse our Java Technocraft site. We provide lab assignments, and we have an offer for 50% for the first assignment when you contact us. So basically, you can get in touch with us using the talk to us button, or drop an email at support@javatechnocraft.com. So see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.